In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of investing in DCA bots on the Mizar platform. Let's say I want to invest in this specific bot called Hedge Me If You Can, a DCA bot that trades futures. After conducting due diligence, gaining insight into the bot's trading strategies, and possibly even having a conversation with the trader behind it, I'm ready to proceed with investing in this bot. To begin, simply click on the Invest Now button, which will direct you to the investment form. The investment form offers two different methods, paper trading and real trading. It's worth noting that in this case, the option for paper trading isn't available, as futures bots do not support paper trading. While paper trading is useful for practice and testing a new bot, the ultimate goal is to engage in real trading with actual money. The chosen bot supports 4 different exchanges, one of which I have already connected to. If your connected exchanges do not align with those supported by the bot, you need to add a new exchange and configure it to be compatible. If your exchange is not supported, you can always reach out to the trader and ask to add it. The volume fee for the investment is determined based on your actual daily star level, and the trader sets the performance fees, currently set at 20%. In my case, as a high-ranking star level, I'll share 15% of my realized profits at the end of each month, instead of 20%. The higher your star level, the lower the fees. Selecting the real trading option allows you to choose the exchange for trading. In this case, I'll choose Bybit, which is configured for futures trading and aligns with the bot's hedge mode. Clicking here will lead you to a new page where you'll need to set up your investment. The page displays relevant statistics in line with what we have previously seen on the detail page. An important part is the trader's tips, offering guidance on how to invest and how much. It's important to note that this guidance is not financial advice but serves as assistance in configuring the bot optimally for performance. Given that this is a DCA, dollar cost averaging bot, I'll be prompted to configure certain parameters such as the base order size, maximum number of positions, and leverage. For DCA bots, a position comprises the sum of the base order and safety orders. The base order is the first order to be executed when the trader sends a signal, followed by safety orders, triggered based on price fluctuations. In this scenario, I'm setting a base order of $2.50. I choose 16 positions and utilize 10x leverage, since we're dealing with futures trading. The default parameters are recommended by the trader, and there's an option to reinvest profits for auto-compounding. On the right side of the page, you'll find an overview of your investment, highlighting maximum and expected investment figures. The maximum investment represents the highest potential investment if all safety orders are open. This encompasses the worst-case scenario, meaning that all the safety orders are hit. The corresponding margin is displayed, which is the minimum balance needed on your exchange. This value doesn't consider losses. That means it's important to maintain a margin significantly higher than the recommended value to prevent liquidation in case of negative P&L. On the right, the expected investment is calculated based on the bot's real performance over the past 30 days. This reflects the outcome of actual trading, where not all safety orders were triggered. This figure indicates the amount you can expect investing at a specific point. Please make sure to understand that past performance doesn't represent future outcomes. Below you'll find further details such as position information. For instance, this particular bot has the capability to initiate up to 6 safety orders. In the event that all these safety orders are triggered, the maximum potential position size would amount to $160, with a margin requirement of $16. However, based on the expected outcomes from the trader's trading activity over the past 30 days, the average position was around $7. By exploring additional details in this section, you can access valuable insights like the distribution of safety order occurrences and their probabilities throughout the previous month. It's strongly advised to thoroughly understand this information before investing in any bot. Certain parameters might require your attention here, such as acknowledging acceptance due to a base order falling below $10. Keep in mind that some exchanges might reject orders that fall below their set minimums. Additionally, you might encounter a notification indicating that one of your keys has already been utilized by another bot. To ensure streamlined futures trading, it's recommended to utilize a single key for each bot. Once you're ready to proceed, clicking Next will present you with an overview of your trade. Carefully review all the details, ensuring they align with your expectations. Finally, acknowledge your understanding of bot trading by clicking on the Invest button to initiate your investment.